Welcome back. Don't forget to like, push those notifications, and subscribe to my channel.
Obsessed with you, yeah, yeah.
And let's get into it. Let's get into these. Look at this marble effect on the nails. Baby, then you got the price, $6.99. Where you gonna get that? Okay, $6.99. This coffin nail look so bomb. Bougie on a budget. Okay, all right. So I have my nails out. With this kit, it only comes with the nails, the glue, and the cuticle stick. That's it. I have my filer and I have my nail clipper where I went ahead and clipped. As you can see, I revamped this look. I clipped my nails to make it look like a stiletto nail versus the coffin look that it already came with. And I think I'm really liking that. You tell me, what shape do you prefer? Baby, look into this. This is the finished look. And these nails actually last me about 2.5 weeks if I wipe my nail beds with alcohol before putting on my press-on nails. These are amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to do many more of these. Please don't forget to like, push those notifications, and subscribe to your girl's channel.
Obsessed with you, yeah, yeah.